Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you some of my store-bought fidgets and my homemade fidgets. I do not have all of my fidgets out here, but I will be showing you the ones that I have here with me today. So let's get right into the video. First we're going to start off with the homemade fidgets. I have these little air squishies. There's 4 of these. They're just little air squishies. There is a purple one, pink one, another pink one, and another pink one. This is a different pink than these two, and then this is like a light purple. And then I have this squishy that is like a purpley pink skin, but it's just... But this squishy, I believe I filled it up with some foaming soap, and it feels really nice. Next, I have this little texture pad that I have made. I believe that's what you call it. But it's just out of a material, and it feels really good. And then I have this fidget. It does a lot and stuff, and it's super cool. Next, we have the store-bought fidgets. First, we're going to start off with this Yum Coffee Squishy. My little cousin did break this straw off, so yeah. But there was a chocolate drizzle. She took that off too. And then I have a black infinity cube. I have to wash some of my fidgets. Some of them are dirty. And then next, I have this Honest Squishy. It's really, really soft. And then this, I wouldn't necessarily call this a fidget, but I like to play with it and stuff. It is like just a heavy marble type thing. It's kind of like a magnet. Next is this puppet. Here's the bad side. Can't even hear that one. But that's my mini heart puppet. A cupcake squishy, an Olaf squishy, a heart puppet, here's the other side. Both of these sides are pretty good. Not too bad. Then I have this football squishy, this butterfly puppet, sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand, so it's kind of hard to do this. 2 marble and mesh, Among Us puppet, Koosh ball, monkey noodle, basketball squishy, orange squishy, donut squishy, unicorn on a moon squishy, shark squishy, globble. It's broken, but it's still really fun to play with. And then, best for last, I have my 3 mochis that I keep in a Play-Doh container so they stay clean. Some of them did get dirty because my little cousin likes to play with them, but that's okay. I have this yellow hedgehog, a gray cat, and a pink cat. And then my favorite puppet of all time, I love this, a blue Stitch puppet. And both sides are really, really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all in another video. Bye!